Hi guys, not sure if you've ever thought about mounting a GoPro right on your handlebars of your bike, but I've got a setup on my Goldwing that would work on any motorcycle. And a problem I've had in the past of putting a GoPro on my helmet is we're going through the mountains and you see something beautiful, and so you turn your head and then you got to turn back. You turn and look a little bit and then you got to turn back. Obviously don't want to crash, but you're missing out on a lot of good footage. With this setup, you can just spin the camera, let it lock on right to what you're wanting to see, and works great. I'll be showing you some footage here of just some sample footage I took on the highway a little bit ago, and see what you think. Hey, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, and hey, go ahead and subscribe too. That'd be awesome. Thanks for watching, and take a look. Okay, so you can see, you can just pan that camera whatever direction you want to look at. You got a beautiful mountain over there off to the side. You just pan your camera over. If you want to leave it there for a while, just lock this down. She's solid as a rock. This is a GoPro 6. It's got great stabilization. Being on the handlebar doesn't bother it a bit. See something on this side of the road, just go ahead and pan it back. Works really good too if you want to film behind you. Just turn it behind you. You can film your buddies coming up behind you, or you can film your wife on the back. Whatever you want. In the past, I would have my GoPro on my helmet. I would strap my GoPro remote to the handlebar. Well, that thing would lose communication, and half the time I didn't know whether I was recording or not, so then I'd have to have my wife hit the record button. It just was a pain. This way I can have it right there where I can see it. I can see what I'm filming on the screen. I can hit record whenever I want. I can shift between still photos and video anytime. It's really a nice setup. Very reasonably priced setup too. So let's take a look at what it actually looks like going down the road with this thing. Here's the full view. I've got my camera set on super wide. I gotta tell you, it's very convenient to have the camera mounted right there close to me on the bars. I can stop and start the recording whenever I want. I can pan it to the side, behind me, to the left, to the right. I've got it wired up to a power cord, so it'll run all day if I want. As you know, if you have a GoPro, that battery doesn't last very long. I'm going to experiment with camera views, whether I shoot right through the windshield or off to the side like this one. But anyhow, hey, I want to really thank you for watching this. I hope it gives you some ideas to do some filming on your bike. You get out there and do some riding, and be safe out there. Thanks for watching.